Ang problema ng mundo ngayon, ang problema ng tao is we have become too engrossed and too focused into working on something. But we don't give so much time and effort to working on ourselves. So kahit sa school, it is more on competency development, which is learning what to do. It's not really on character building, which is working on ourselves. In the corporate life, pati sa trabaho, pag nagmi-meeting yung mga empleyado with their bosses, mga manager, madalas ang pinag-uusapan is what to do, which is normal. Especially when you are into business, you would always talk about what to do. In other words, how to achieve the results that you want the employees to deliver. Pero pag hindi pinag-usapan yung what we are, there's a problem. Because what we do is just a product of what we are. Now, pag nagmi-meeting yung mga empleyado with their managers or leaders in the workplace, it has always been working on something. Nothing wrong with that. But you can just imagine when leaders in the workplace or employees in the workplace do not talk about working on ourselves, there is a problem.